There are a few ways to connect your Xumo remote to a Vizio TV, the most common being through IR infrared programming and Bluetooth. For IR, point the Xumo remote at your Vizio TV and enter the correct code, which is often 11758. This allows control over power, volume, and input. For newer Xumo remotes with Bluetooth, especially those from the Xumo Streambox, go to your Vizio TV's Bluetooth menu under Settings, Remote and Accessories, Pair Remote, and follow the on-screen prompts. Once paired via either method, the remote should control your TV's inputs, such as switching to the HDMI input your Xumo device is connected to. Some newer Vizio TVs also support HDMI CEC, which can automate input switching when you turn on your Xumo device. These methods ensure your Xumo remote works effectively with your Vizio TV. If you're experiencing issues, ensure your Vizio TV firmware is up to date, as outdated firmware can cause compatibility problems. Also, consider using the Vizio SmartCast app on your smartphone as a remote if direct pairing is difficult, particularly for older TV models. For full remote pairing, using a Xumo Streambox is often the most reliable solution. If you're using a universal remote like a Logitech Harmony, use the Harmony app to enter the Vizio code 11758. One common issue is IR interference, which can be improved by using Bluetooth instead. Experts recommend HDMI CEC for effortless input control. Statistics show that Bluetooth-enabled devices have a higher pairing success rate. If all else fails, Xumo and Vizio support websites offer detailed tutorials and troubleshooting steps.